Kababayan LA.
Hello. Hello sa inyong lahat dyan.
Ayan, magandang hapon po, Dolphy. Ano bang ginagawa mo dito sa Amerika at nabisita ka sa amin?
Well, nagpo-promote kami ng movie ko na kasama ko si Eric. Para doon sa, nakuha kami ng AMC para i-distribute sa mga, maganda naman yon dahil for the first time, AMC nakapasok kami. Nilalabas yung mga pelikula namin dito.
And that movie is Nobody But One. I'm sure napapanood nyo na ang trailer ng pelikula na yan. Last week, nakasama po natin si Eric Quezon at Giselle Tonji. They talked about that movie. We're gonna be talking about that today on the show, along with talking about personal life, career ni Dolphy. Ngayon po, bukas ang aming mga linya ng telepono. We invite all of you to call and you can talk to him, ask him whatever you want, and also give him any comment that you would like to tell him this afternoon dito po sa Kababayan LA. I'll start with the first question, Dolphy. Maraming nagtatanong kung ano raw ang staying power ng isang Dolphy na hanggang ngayon, 82 years old, 65 years in the business, still making movies.
Well, una sa lahat, prayers, siguro. And then, one din, sabi ko nga kanina siya, humility, yung pilming nakatuntungan pa ako sa lupa, hindi ako magmamalaki sa tao. At saka yung walang katapusang pag-aaral ng paano mo mabibigyan ng kaligayahan ng tao.
That said, I'm sure in your 65 years in show business, may mga times na meron ka bang hesitation na parang, ay, pinagsisihan ko to, dapat hindi ko to ginawa, ay, itong project na to, dapat hindi ko to kinuha. Meron ka bang ganun?
Meron din, kasi kung minsan, hindi naman lahat ng project mo talagang maganda na maganda. Pero di siyempre, medyo may touch, very touchy ng konti. So, kung nagkamali ka doon, huwag mo nang galawin yun. Kasi meron mga do not touch religion, halimbawa, huwag mong gagalawin dyan.
Not make jokes out of it.
Yeah, o kaya isang taong merong kapansanan, bibiroin mo. Yan ang inaalis ko, lalo na kung medyo berde, ayoko din nun. Naughty lang, pwede yun. Huwag yung masyadong berde.
That said, what are you most proud of? You know, you've done a lot of sitcoms na talagang tumagal. John and Marcia, Home Along the Riles, Boy Artista. Anong pinaka, when you look back, and if there's only one thing that the people will remember about you, ano yun?
Palagay ko yung paglalabas ko ng bakla, you know. kasi doon ako nakilala as Jack Ingil, as Pacifica Palaypay. And then the rest is history na ika nga. Dahil sa sitcom naman, John and Marcia ang tumatak sa kanila. Lately, itong new generation, yung Home Along the Riles. Matagal yun dito.
Yeah.
Actually, ako nag-endorse ng TFC rito. Nung kalakasan ng Home Along the Riles, dahil mabili yung tape dito eh.
Yun ang talagang
yung Betamax mo ba, no?
Oo, Betamax as VHS.
Ni-endorse ko. Ang laki ng puwan ko dito, karatol ako.
Alright, first caller of the day, Lerma is on the line. Magandang hapon sa'yo, Lerma. Are you there?
Yes.
Yes, good afternoon. Kayo po ay live with Dolphy sa Kababayan LA.
Oh, thank you.
Good afternoon, Lerma.
Oh, Dolphy, you are the greatest comedian I ever know.
Thank you.
And I believe you are one of the best ever throughout the years that I have watched you in the Philippines from what do you call this, college years. I've been here for 40 years in the U.S., and I'm really very impressed when I look back, and I always compare you to Two and a Half Men in the U.S.
Bakit po? Bakit ganun ang comparison?
Kasi mahirap ako patawanin, but they are very good comedians.
Ano po ang paborito niyong gawa ni Tito Dolphy?
Lahat ng movies niya, no, pinapanood ko just to have a smile on my face.
Ayan, dapat po manood din kayo ng Nobody But One. At the end of the show, we'll give you some details about that. But thank you for that phone call. Next caller, Anton, is joining us from Lakewood. Magandang hapon sa'yo, Anton.
Hi.
Yes, go ahead.
Hi, good afternoon. Is it Tito Dolphy?
Good afternoon, Anton.
Hi, good afternoon, Tito Dolphy. I saw the movie last night. Do you remember me?
Yes, thank you.
I enjoyed it very much.
Thank you.
What's your favorite part of that movie, Anton?
Oh, when he has his flashbacks and he remembers all the stuff from when he was an actor.
Yeah.
Ayan. Alright. Well,
Thank you, Anton.
Thank you for your autograph too.
thank you for calling. Tito Dolphy, kanina sinabi nyo nakilala kayo sa pagganap nyo ng mga gay roles. Pero hindi yun ang pinagsimulan nyo. We're gonna be talking about the start of your career when we return on the
Okay.
show. We will be back for more. Don't go away.